Cruise control is more than just a convenient tool for long drives. It's a smart way to enhance your driving experience, especially on highways. Firstly, it helps maintain a consistent speed, making your drive smoother and more fuel efficient. This consistency also reduces the strain on your engine and can lead to fewer trips to the mechanic. Using cruise control can help you avoid unintentional speeding. It keeps you at a steady pace, ensuring you stay within the speed limits and avoid potential fines. Lastly, it allows you to focus more on the road and less on the speedometer. This improved focus contributes to safer driving, especially on long, monotonous stretches. Remember though, cruise control is ideal for steady traffic and clear weather conditions. By using cruise control wisely, you can enjoy a safer, more efficient, and more relaxing journey.